The language challenges in Europe are enormous. European enlargement, emerging economies and exploding communication channels. These factors make the language problem more complex than ever. Multilingual content is produced so rapidly that human translation is nearly impossible. Automatic methods are needed. Bridges across the language divide, EU-BRIDGE, provides automatic transcription and translation technology, enabling multimedia captioning and translation services. Audiovisual documents between European and non-European languages can be translated within seconds. 4 use cases show the benefits of the EU-BRIDGE speech translation services. Captioning translation for TV broadcasts. Speech processing technologies will improve the work progress in captioning TV shows and translating the captions into multiple languages. More media content can be subtitled and translated, so it will be available to more European citizens. University lecture translation. Spoken content of university lectures will be translated in real time and will be used in lecture halls of the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. Speech translation technologies can be applied in situations where human translators would be too expensive. University lectures will then be available to international students. European Parliament translation. EU-BRIDGE identifies opportunities for applying speech translation technology in the translation process of the European Parliament. Potential application scenarios are all situations where human translators are not available. Unified Communication Translation. A web-based speech translation service within a unified communication platform will be introduced in order to support multilingual conference calls and webinars. EU-BRIDGE seeks to achieve rapid technology transition and market insertion by building distributed services instead of transferring software and by making deployment part of the project. It will facilitate everyday interactions between European citizens who speak different languages and will help to bridge the language divide.